Alright, so here we are. This is my first impression of this solar light I just unboxed. It looks good. It's nice and bright. It's got sensor modes on it. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I can do an install and play around with it and show you what I really think. So far, it's waterproof. It's heavy duty looking. I think it'll be good right outside my back porch. Alright, I want to show you these really cool outdoor solar powered street lights I just got. These are the mounting brackets. Pretty simple. We pull them out. You can see there's a remote control for each one of them. You can turn the sensors on. You can have it be dusk to dawn, etc., etc. Here's a couple of little packs of screws to go with it. And then when you pull the light out itself, it's got this nice big solar backing, and then it's got 4 banks of lights, and they turn on. They're pretty darn bright. I don't really want to look at them. And then I can get the remotes and change the sensor on them. But it comes in a 2-pack that'll just charge, so it comes in a 2-pack. It'll just sit up against a wall like that and illuminate, and at night it'll either turn on when you walk up in motion or it'll turn on dusk to dawn. And it says the battery will last all night long, 8 to 12 hours in motion sensor mode, or 6 or 8 hours in dusk to dawn mode. But we're gonna go give that a test. And then here's just a book with a few instructions in it. So other than that, I'm going to go get some batteries for one of these remotes. It doesn't come with batteries. And take a look at the instructions and go outside and put them up. Alright, that was easy. You can see I got it installed. I made it almost horizontal. I know they're supposed to stick a lot more vertical, but I just had the nuts there loose and kind of propped it up against the rain gutter. So now it'll provide light right here in this hallway and entryway and by my door. Alright, now here I installed the other one right out here on my shed by this door and kind of by this window. So alright, we got my light up there, and now we're going to take a look. Now we're going to take a look at this remote control. So sensor 1 turns the light on 100% if you walk up to it, and otherwise it'll stay on 30%. Sensor 2 is what I want. It'll turn on at 100% brightness for a couple of minutes and then turn off. Other than that, on and off, you can turn the light on and off, and it'll run dusk to dawn cycle. Or 3 to 5 hours in sensor mode 1, meaning it'll turn on 100% brightness and then turn to 30%. So like if you want to turn that on at dusk when you're leaving, it would be on. Otherwise, you can turn the light on for 4 hours. Here's the remote, and those are all the instructions. And so I'm going to turn it on to sensor 2 and be good to go.